Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University, and this is my second purchase of this Puresoft Amazon Basic fake leather chair. I bought this chair for my wife a couple years ago, and she liked it. We're going to unbox this, and I'm going to show you what the parts look like, and we're going to put it together. And it's very simple to put together. All right, let me unbox it. This is what comes in the box initially, and inside the back cover, you have your parts. And unzip that, there's a box in there with all of your parts. Let's pull those parts out. And over here we have this and we have that. And then here's the picture. Okay, I'm going to start with the base and the wheels. Instead of using this, I bought my actual hex head drill bit for this, so I don't have to use this manually. But if you use a drill, just be very careful. And I want to start with the legs and the base here. See, I have screws right here. I have them laid out. I have 4, 8, 5, 8 of the little plug things. And over here we have 5 little legs. So we put these on like this. And once all 5 are in, you have 5 screws over here. And this is why we really don't need the manual. And just put all 5 screws in. Now, we can take these things and pop them in. And just put them in and push them down like that. And they'll snap in. And make sure they're all the way in. And now we have our base put together. Now we can take this thing here. And this comes off. Like this. And one end goes on this side, and the other goes on the other side. And of course, there's going to be one that gives you a hard time. Okay, there we go. All right, so now we have our base. And this, of course, is just going to sit. Now we can move on to attaching the seat to the back. And over here, you see where we have the screw holes. So that'll go on the left side, and the other goes on the right side. You can attach it from the left side or the right side, it doesn't matter. I'm going to pick this up. You can also put it on its side. We have 8 screws over there. So those 8 screws go in these positions. This one going. So now we only have 4 more screws. All we have to do is put this on. This is your front. Here's your front. You only have 4 screws left. Just pop those in. That's it. And now all we have to do is take this part right here and put it right there. The last thing you do is put these things on. And they go right there. And that's pretty much it. There are 8 of them all the way around, and you're done. But yeah, it's a great chair for the price. Very soft, very comfortable. Again, this is my second one. To be honest with you, with the drill, this is a 15-minute assembly job, and you don't even really need the instructions. It's really soft, extremely comfortable, but it does not have lumbar support. I give it at least a 9 out of 10. If you're looking for a chair, if you get it on sale, it's even better. I paid $79 for it. But yeah, I'm happy with the chair. My wife likes it. She's used hers for 3 or 4 years now. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace.